in your airplane?
Claire's trying to get on the airplane too. Peter, did we land?
Yeah. Now, they're flying.
Where are we?
To Iowa.
And who's with you?
And then move.
Where are Nani and Mo? Can you show?
Can you show me Nani and Mo? Who's that?
Mo.
Where's Nani?
Peter, where's Nani?
Can you show me Nani, please? Peter? Probably not.
Where's Nani?
There she is. Hey, welcome to Iowa.
I think you want to get on the airplane again?
Nani is laughing.
Clara, can you wave?
Nani talks.
Stop laughing?
Yeah.
What does Mo think about that?
Nani is laughing. Nani is laughing.